Let me show you all this diagram real quick, right? So this right here, this is your energy, right? You can't read it, but let's just see that it says energy right here, right? So this is your energy. Whatever you want to do in your life requires energy, right? If you want to go for a run, you need energy. If you want to, interact with people, you need energy. If you want to do well in school, you need energy. So like your brain works, right? So you need energy for everything in order to actually get work done, right? But this is your energy. You only have so much energy you can use, right? Like it's like only that big. And what happens when you have this energy and you have this one dude who are like your toxic friends, right? These people who like they're always like you're trying to do something well and you tell them about it and they're like, bro, just shut up, like you're not going to do what you say you're gonna do, like stop trying to like make YouTube work, stop trying to like focus on yourself or whatever, because like none of that matters. These are like the toxic people, bro, like people who like just want to drain your energy for themselves and you're just giving it to them for free. That's the one like where your energy is going. And then over here is parents. Like your parents are telling you what to do. Like no, like go to school, get a degree, and then go get a good job, and then become like successful in life. Like their definition of success. And it's like you have all these things, bro. Like oh, right here, gym. Like you have to you find out that working out's probably the best thing you could do for yourself, so you start going to the gym 6 times a week and hit push pull legs like 2 hours a week every single day. And then you also do like a little bit of cardio, like walking on the treadmill at like 10.5 speed on like a 12% incline, whatever, for like half an hour. That's the gym. And then you are sleep deprived, so that like lowers your energy a little bit. So you have all these little arrows, bro. Like how many different things do you think is stealing your energy that you don't even know about? You see? And like you wonder why you can't do anything, because like all these are like taking up your time and energy that you can't use it for yourself, and you wonder why like you're stagnant. But if you have only a couple of things that are actually using your energy. Let's say your priority right now is to do well in school because you don't actually enjoy school, but you gotta graduate eventually. You gotta like finish high school so you could actually get it out of the way. So let's say if school is your priority, and you have one for here for school, right? And because you don't have all these other like things that are stealing your energy, you can, instead of using one arrow, bro, like you can like add another arrow and another arrow and another arrow. And it's like, let's say this right here is the line for success. You need to have at least this much passed in order to succeed. And you can't do that with like when all your energy is being used up by like all these other things. But if you're able to like use your energy for just like a one specific purpose, you like end up passing the success line, and it makes it like easy for you to get success. And then once this is done, like your school is done, so you don't need to worry about that anymore. Now you can use your energy for like the gym. Let's say like you want to build a physique that you want. Okay, cool, there's your energy. Oh, you have extra time for it since you're not worried about school anymore. You're not worried about these friends that like steal your energy. So it's like you end up actually getting what you want to get, the body that you want to get. And this is why like this concept right here is really the reason why I only like focus on YouTube, because I really try to do all these different businesses at the same time, bro. Like you can find a video on my channel. It's like life of a self-improvement YouTuber one, number one or number two, one of those videos, bro. It's basically me talking about how, bro, I bought this laptop to use and make money, but I'm not even making money. So now I'm gonna start drop shipping, and it's so dumb because the time and energy I could have used on YouTube is now cut in half. And because it's cut in half, my YouTube is kind of mid. Like I'm not even making any like videos because I'm focusing all my time and energy on drop shipping. And drop shipping, like it's like whatever, bro. Like I don't even like make any money from it. So I stop and move on to something else, like trying to learn SMA. And this is why like nothing works for you, because you split your time and energy into so many different places when you could have used it for one thing and actually make that one thing work. We think that if we have so many different things to focus on, we're being more productive, right? Because it kind of makes sense. Like, if you would really think that, like, logically speaking, that if you work out every single day and you also run every single day and you work on your business every single day and you go out to eat with your friends every single day and you throw a party every night, every single day, and you're like, I don't know, bro. Like, imagine you're filling your life with all these different things. Then, how are you actually going to make progress in one thing? Because progress isn't actually linear. You would think that progress goes like that. Instead, it's more like this, bro. Like, you make like nothing at all, and after a while, it's just like you like pick it up a little bit. You can't even tell like you're making progress, and then it just goes like that. Eventually you end up passing like what you would have if you actually went in a straight line, because this is how progress actually works. When I first went to the gym, it was like, this is me in the gym, like the first like couple of months, right? Damn, I didn't even need to mark that. But this is like me in the gym for the first couple of months. Like, I'm getting stronger, right? I'm getting like really strong, but I'm not even like gaining any muscle. But you just gotta literally just keep going to the gym, and then all of a sudden, like, you have muscles now out of nowhere that you didn't even realize you had. I just realized the graph is backwards too, because I was looking at my phone and trying to draw this. But you guys, you know what I mean, bro. Like, this is basically how progress works. Now, so if you actually want to be successful, you would really need to choose like only a couple of things, because like balance doesn't exist. When you try to balance so many different things and spread your energy thin, instead just focus on like what is like most important goals to you right now, and then focus on that. And then whatever's not important, either get rid of it completely or actually spend like as little energy as you can to maintain it, that it doesn't like atrophy. Because like, you can go to the gym, right? You can build a nice body, and if you stop going to the gym after like what 3 months or something, you're gonna lose all your gains. So you don't want to do that. So instead of that, you might just go to the gym once or twice a week, and you'll keep your gains. You won't get any bigger, but you'll at least keep what you've already made. That's like really the one thing I've noticed about most like successful people, is that they have no lives. Like, you might think that, bro, I would wish to be Jeff Bezos right now. I would wish to be Elon Musk right now. But the problem is that, yeah, you can do that, but the only reason why these people are successful is because they have no lives, and they've spent all their time and energy on their businesses to make it grow. And it's like, you'll never see Elon Musk like out in the clubs. You won't see Elon Musk or like Mark Zuckerberg like partying, bro, on IG Live or something. Like, you won't ever see that, because these people are like dedicated to their grind, and like they literally don't care about anything else. They don't care about friends. They don't care about, maybe they do, but it's like not as much as like you think. So if you could eliminate everything that's like not purposeful for you right now, everything that's taking away from you, from your energy, then what you find is that you have extra energy to spend on the things that are actually important to you. Like, I'll use myself for example, bro. Like, if I want to really like dial in and get locked in on YouTube, if I'm doing YouTube and I'm also like, let's say I'm working 40 hours a week, and I'm also going to school full time, and I'm also like trying to create a relationship with some girl, and I'm also trying to see my friends every single day, and I also want to work out 2 hours a day, right, to become like a bodybuilder, whatever. All that time and energy I spent elsewhere, I could have used on my YouTube. This is like how normal people operate. Normal people are doing that. They'll spend like an hour on YouTube a day, an hour on like whatever on the gym, an hour on something else. They'll give you like normal levels of success, right? But if you want like extreme levels of success, if you actually want to like fast track your like way up, why not actually remove everything that you don't care about? Remove everything that you can put on maintenance for a while, and actually like go all in on one thing. Like me, for example, if I'm doing YouTube, I've had to like cut out so many things that like are like going to take away from my time and energy, so that I can spend all that extra time and energy back onto YouTube and actually be a lot more productive, because I have more time for myself to spend on the thing that I actually want to grow. Does that make sense? Then like, let's say if like I don't want to do YouTube anymore, or like I want to like take a break and focus on something else, like eventually there's gonna come a time where my YouTube, I like drop back on like how hard I'm working on my YouTube channel, and I start focusing on my body again. Because like right now I'm only working out like 3 times a week, and just trying, I'm like I'm making like slow gains, right? Because it's like I really just don't care right now. But eventually, there's gonna come a time where I really want to focus in on it and like actually train like a bodybuilder again. But that's not gonna happen until like I've like reached some like sort of success on YouTube, some sort of success in my business. And once that happens, YouTube's gonna go back down for a while, and then the time I spend on like working out and like running and exercising and whatever, that's gonna go back up again. So you choose like whatever is like the most important to you. Like there's only going to be like a couple of things, like 3 or 4 things that are really important to you, and you focus in on those, and then just ignore everything else. And that's how you be more productive by doing less.